Let me introduce you to IOLink Masters from Automation Direct. IOLink is an open point-to-point communication standard that provides easy field wiring and data-rich bidirectional communication with intelligent field I/O devices. In addition to the indication or value a standard field device would provide in a system, an IOLink device provides extended self-diagnostic and monitoring information, as well as remote configuration capability, IIoT support, and much more, all over a standard 3-wire sensor cable. IOLink Master is a device through which a PLC or other controller connects simultaneously to a number of field devices, such as sensors and actuators, through its input ports. Versatile master modules can handle a variety of signals, so you can mix and match traditional I/O devices with advanced IOLink devices to serve a wide range of applications requiring basic and/or rich process data. The IOLink Masters Automation Direct carries are IP67 rated field devices with watertight M12 field connections. They don't necessarily need an enclosure. In most industrial environments, you can be fully comfortable machine mounting these rugged modules. Using Ethernet IP, an IOLink Master may be situated up to 100 meters away from its higher level controller, and each IOLink Master acts as its own Ethernet switch with one in-port and one out-port, meaning that they can be daisy-chained for expanded network control, with each IOLink Master up to 100 meters from the last one. Field I/O devices are then connected to the IOLink Master's input ports, with a maximum cable length of 20 meters. Each port can be configured in one of 4 operating modes. IOLink mode sets the port for IOLink communication. DI mode sets the port for use with digital input devices. DQ mode is for use with digital output devices. And the 4th mode is deactivated for ports that are not being used. Also available to use with the IOLink Masters, IOLink hubs dramatically increase the potential number of traditional digital I/O devices a single IOLink Master can incorporate. Each IOLink hub connects directly to an IOLink Master's input port. With each hub, 8 or 16 digital I/O points can be connected to a single IOLink Master input port. This means each IOLink Master could handle up to 128 discrete I/O points. Imagine the wiring headaches all of this is going to save you. Once connected to its field I/O devices, an IOLink Master facilitates several types of data transmission back and forth. Measured process data is transmitted cyclically, reported in the appropriate engineering units, along with validity check results known as value status data. Device data is transmitted acyclically when the IOLink Master triggers an exchange. This includes unit identification and diagnostic details along with unit configuration and parameterization. The IOLink Master can be set up to store all of the field I/O device configurations and push those setups to replacement devices when required. Events such as device errors and alarm details are also handled acyclically. Let's look at 2 of the IOLink Master models offered at AutomationDirect.com. A Stride Basic model and a Premium model from Murr Electronic. Both of these are designed for easy and reliable connection of your I/O system components. The Premium model offers a higher current rating on each port and an expanded range of communication protocol options. The IOLink Masters are compact and designed for easy deployment. All connections use industry-standard M12 ports. In and out ports provide daisy chaining for both power and Ethernet communications. 8 versatile I/O ports handle a variety of I/O devices or the IOLink hubs mentioned earlier. A removable acrylic window covers 3 rotary selection switches, used to set up the device's IP address. For details on that procedure, see the network setup videos linked in the description. LED indicators display status information for each input port, power port, and communication port. Mounting holes on the ends of the device are provided for panel, enclosure, or machine mounting. For much more on IOLink capabilities and products carried by Automation Direct, be sure to check out our IOLink videos collection. Click here for the video playlist. Click here for IOLink products. Click here to subscribe to Automation Direct's YouTube channel.